Hey George, this is Brandon Rutherford at Jimmy Britt Chevy. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the 2010 Chevy Avalanche. You can see it's the white exterior LTZ trim package, 20-inch Chevy wheels on the side. Already got your running boards, the LTZ of course, going to get you loaded up. Got the gray leather interior, power passenger seat. Get your wood grain there. Interior's in great shape. No rips or stains, nothing like that. So you got the rear AC controls here. Got your all-weather floor mats already in there. Of course, you know the deal with the Avalanche. Got the bed cover there. Already lined with the all-purpose weather mat back there. Tow hitch already on it. Backup camera. I'm telling you, man, that thing's in great shape. No dents, no dings. A little bit of wear on some of the buttons here up front, but nothing too major to be concerned about. Start it up. Show you the backup camera here. There you go. Got your OnStar, navigation. Only 73,417 miles. Only thing that's missing is you. Just give me, Brandon Rutherford, a call. 706-453-2500. Set up a time for you to come see this thing in person. Take it for a test drive, see what you think. This has been the 2010 Chevy Avalanche.